Asante simana ye boja ye feeder pa na ha nwene se anya sam ketwa. Of course, a bota Guinness a weekend say programs are hold draw so gatherings are hold say a home manage mo Mota Guinness is some of the slick can abajama so no na say adwumadi bia se no o ma wonsa e ka bi yes ye Malta Guinness am ka one pay near some no e basan so na bet power betting companies na bu enra papa go for this girl honey bet power e ja ho so fa ho jim na nipa nsahwe e ho na skari nyina gu Austin so a bit more discardia agu botomo a bet power now and the Euros you go so yenim yare ko yenim yare insan ye chiarada in England just as in the second game of Badwam against Denmark amodi kato tredekana so Denmark bet take 1-1 Spain bought Italy by a goal to nil Slovenia and it's Serbia and so ball 1-1. Yembonra and ra games. And on games no. Sane see kokoye groups the more but England 4 points. So basically they are qualified for the next round. They said the last round of games no. ABC Akko against Slovenia. And that games near Poland and in Austria near ball in Group D. Holland and France. What a game! Holland and in France now finished Slovenia and Ukraine. And so they happen so in Group E where you send a Euros to so ABC Akko and Akko the Copa America Chassi Enra na Argentina and Canada. And of course, Lautaro Martinez, Julian Away, what team winning to World Cup qualifiers, not to say yes, you need doubt and say it's me 12 Sanya. But your first half, you're in quick, you're second half, you fight back. In if you even have friendly games, a boy cry, and first half, near you that Dania Diallo. Guess now in for their future and Ama Otoado. So one shot now, so first half now, JJ Honsan on your Hojima.
You can see that we've had two halves. The two games that we played, we've had two halves, different two halves. If I say different two halves, you mean that the first half our performance is different compared to what we do in the second. In the future, I hope that we can begin with the second half performance that we've observed in the past two games. Start that beginning because some of the countries, when we go behind, it might be difficult for us to come back. So I hope that going forward, like the coach said, that we should blame him for the performance in the first half. Not that he made any mistake, but probably he overthought of what he wanted to do. And so his approach in the first half has always been different compared to what we have in the second. In Mali it happened, in Kumasi it happened. The first half performance was not the same as the second half. I hope that.
Right, from our Ghanaian international or guesting a handful now. What is answer no to it? Now, you feel you could be more Ghanaian Premier League anymore and some Heart of Lions coach could Bashir Hayford. Papa or experience pay or the Ash Gold AG League or the Asante Kotoko AG League pain. Nancy our Badwam Heart of Lions are surviving relegation or in some to just say you are born Ghana Hanono and yes so and away.
What I've seen is that they will allow you to struggle and get a job from somewhere and they still watching you whether you can do it or not. They don't recognize the achievement. They don't recognize your performance. You don't recognize your, experience, And so, yes, I would say that what some of us wanted to do for Ghana football, we thought when we are matured enough, because we came to meet Ben Kofi, came to meet Osam Dodu, I came to meet Afrani, I came to Coach Adi, Jones Atikofio, Herbert Adu, all those people, they were in front of us. And we were learning a lot from them. And the FA was using them. They were using, so even when we go to courses, we see them. Even if they are not part of the decision, we say, hey, this is what you want to be like him, this is an Afrani, you want to be. So we wanted to take this after some of these experienced coaches. But
wow, man, no, someone Coach Bashir for it, Yanko Olympics for catch and to me and Kale Gidimo relegation at Okoro, Division 1. Now, more supporters now, I didn't some about two just say the leadership of the club necessary. Some say, see, ya no more Kodia Division 1, I'm some Division 2, Division 3, Division 10. Olympic supporters in some way.
What the position of vacant and funny. So I'm tired. You want to record the Olympics, yeah. Supporters only a dear go. Minda 8 hours done. Yanimidebe, money, Bama committee, Olympic supporters sit, Obiasi on Jai. On the head, your betting on Jan Uncle, or Papa on your supporter.
Oh, yeah, team. Now for baby, who you see? Who top player? Baby, and come back. No, your player, oh, yeah, team. If I so big, no, I say, see what happened big teams. As of all, they have people. Right now, as of all, is out of the relegation zone. The supporters are laughing. Olympics, we are crying. Kotoko supporters are laughing. Olympics, we are crying. 3 good, strong teams in this country. Charlie, Olympics, Amaka Mate for Pamufai. Olympics, play the game. Oh, go and go.
So great Olympics. Oli Dade, Oli Multi TV, Oli Adom TV, Oli Badwam, Oli Rosalinda, Oli It Is Not Good For Me This Season, Oli Black Stars, Oli MPP, Oli NDC, Oli Songo, Oli Fireman, Oli Fire of Fire. Chese Oli BBAB. They say the Oli Anya Oli. Oli irrigation is they say the Abasone and the Yanko Songo Stick and I pay. Man, Mr. Patrick Osajaman countryman Songo joining me or Songo Stick. So and Chairman, then I will my pay.
Yeah, more fire and pay Oli Adom Star. Oli Ubiami Jayapine, a year August. Na Yankope a year Adom Star, Mammy, Krabe. Nese Oli no Oli Adaroma, Ella Chesi so. Ye day, ye both sad day way. Anukano ye August Meboa, Anamba, and September, Pacho Adom. Mommy, I Yakopeni Krabe no Dabe in Pacho. Adom Star Temika.
17th August. 17th August.
Yeah. Fantastic. And then, we say, na 30th August, every birthday in that time, we were New York.
Oh, okay.
Which is Mount Vernon. Oh, yeah, Mount Vernon. Why, if you see this Christmas, this birthday there, and you had your birthday.
Ghana. I say, I feel birthday, no, dear Wonima.
Oh, David, Mayor who prepares
okay. Right.
Fantastic. But when you need to party them, also the prayer sala, which has to be a year, let's say, it up sharp 30th August, birthday in the life. Let me be a question.
Right, thank you.
Bonfire. Okay, I don't pay just say, what's a comedian growler stories, but all the same. Nearby city for the can and the crap, coach in the can and the crap. You better one who and Sana. Oh, fireman. Oh, Songo, the greatest. Songo know you brutal. Songo know experience. Songo know too much. Nyamin Pengu. Fire bend them all. Unimadina, Sabrina, Utiasano. Young Wow, Yamaunia, young Crocro. Young Souls in the fat, Unim the Bois, the youth. The experience is always the best teacher, especially experience. I mean, Okuta, the awards, you know, the Jumano. You understand? The coach Bashir for that some very experienced coach with brutal, but Otias is you know, I mean, I don't work with my enemies, and it's a problem. Yeah, and your blast cast, and this is very true. You got it. First half, Kuyi. Second half, Niamani Kuyi is a boys, no. Ya no mu person be Ghana animasi ombebu omu animasi enye coach tatis bia otuado no so tatis papa na him for aka no first half o me hu tatis no me hu se second half tatis ni say here adwuma na first half nkuyi na boys no hu se ye yagu ye hu animasi ye Ghana for ti ye ba ye be ma ye hu me so ni ayire ye hu abu bia na coach abefa credit coach ni the blasters coach in there question mark, big question mark. Mami friends here. Now, me ba Kotoko coach. Ogum, he should be serious. Yes, only serious. Kotoko coach, only serious. Now, Kotoko nenyo nuntina. Kotoko supporters, supporting Kotoko. When you that screen is you are Adom TV and pay. Most of these people who were happy about our losses, somebody today. Somebody like me knew where they were coming from because of the manner in which I existed. I knew some of these things were going to come up. Because a coin of fast or G League with Kotoko Kase, were resign or call anything. I said in a mark Kotoko supporters, Gina say, or Bar Batano, so much supporting, so much supporting. It you Olusumatiza, na a yo mude, a young classem no wakikano, Ogum, a young classem. What bosses in kind poto we now will be prepared to Kotoko supporters say, Obasi sound Subain. One kasa coach, and you players in Kua. Players are more pamuma, mudi be to transfer, se major Kotoko, Bell Levino, some more players to Quino. And yeah, no problem. A playing body no expect professionalism a few more. Technical team no so woody anymore or some more professional. Coach I say, oh, send you training with mouth, any send you see a woman nimbiano. Oba. Now the young players, Udi Mamunyewe, Menyewe, me Obia Kaniti, Obia and the Rasta Kura Opesuka. Coach Obia and the Rasta Kura Opesu Eddie, and then the Biaba and then footballers Kuta Oman Kasa, Omo Ho, Di Omu to me, Omo Bobo, yes, Sabu contract we are. Oya Obeja Timono. Eti Odia Kroklonia Botier. Despite say yes, professionalism, no discipline, they all say, oh, more coach, Nankata, more technical team, no, more discipline to say. On concerned also. And you are going to say, Ogum, Wuntina Kotoko supporters, who and I say, Wuntina Kotoko supporters, supporting Kotoko. Ah, Oko, first time now. What's about a say, sending our call, Ujaho, a cho say, Unko, GT after OG League, anything our supporters be. Any idea na supporters any idea say we are performance in koi enye no kure obeto kotoko ye nyina ebeto kotoko en kotoko ebe wa mo biako esuna kotoko dey ho club ya supreme no kure wom o ko nyina uji league a ko nyina o say wa jai kotoko na waji league o de unko jibie no sa sama o pese o kan ene kan kure se kan kure se ayi Tama empayifua no mu hweso eboa ema wo kochi Kotoko G League no sampayifo na so pese o moko na o pese o yeyi o madi na o pese e pam o mu anything na wo yes exit no o ti ase o yes shocking exit no because a meeting ase oni na ni amposa management antem ho ase wo no ma bi hunti na wo expect say na wo pese sa management no ye pam o mu konti and also so yeah that shocking exit also can say and this so betima ma supporters no ebuafu eti ogum se season na ndie na one perform ye wa bo league tantan ma Kotoko league fun o performance ye bad obi a waji league da eyede na first time o league na ne sponsor management no twekon mfa so enu ye player recruitment etutu no ma boa wansa na wutimi the edge league but uyi wo mu boni aye by way of say also why is it and I say why resign Kotoko. It was by surprise. And at the end of the day, what normal season and Koya, o de Koshe say, where's the take Kotoko, and I say, Uja Kotoko on after say Uji League, and Nama Kotoko supporters, Bifi say, Ulusu matches, and I say, performance, we as a coach, na you mode, and you know, Kotoko supporter, BNU, pay team no down, Kotoko supporter, BNU, pay team no Kugu, Kotoko supporter, BNU, say, we buy a Jumama Kotoko. So anya adwuma ma Kotoko na BBC ye Kotoko supporter no ono na dwene nyina ne say team no so obeye management so obeye president so obeye CEO okọ obi abeba be serve Kotoko akọ team no utumfo edia oti ase eti say team no unya chance be serve a na ukọ na team no ye wutum na support team na eye dia team no obepen nkan ko obepese Kotoko be se ama wo so why a true supporter who near to Kotoko supporter be anywhere or person Kotoko lose coach in some no can why confused why you confused oh yes Guma very very confused now Ubia who maybe come with me at the Mekase Division 1 Division 2 any 1 or 2 Premier League players at Miaji League and they now back after they will see what pump players and how many players are to transfer. Na se de moko pe kuku da ma players omo league ni na aba kotoko any problem but mo budget yes say mo sponsors way mo take kotoko sponsors and go for sign sponsor kotoko sika sign na mo edawa mo dey come market na kwakofa sa place na ba yes you for the likes of top players bit is Charles Taylor mo time na bi a mo time you pesa top akukudama no but sa top akukudama no ni na yisika sponsors ni sika e wo kotoko e we ana otu mfo nko na mo de mo ho eto no so you see coach no e coach bi anko yi no wan hwe no anye ni ya coming season kotoko fo ni mo win na ma o mbe pam no o mbe sake no more fire ogum ni problem on checking suban anything you see a handle normal what you say mpewe ni too much yes sir enko yi mfama oni kotoko fo kra because kotoko fo no mu po mu team more fire nyame aduma say thank God is Friday
thank God is Friday
and then 1 p.m. as usual
more fire my man Patrick Osajman countryman Songo and the Songo Stake Diane bet power betting company back when you say no obedi sika the fi wa mo akacheti cash no so from a bet power et almost sorry betting companies in the abu bet power ne pub ne pa and apart from win draw lose no other options be we mu abetimi afa so the diska you say win draw and lose to penny go so pe other yellow card first tackle more fouls more when just bet power. Now, Malta Guinness, almost okay, one of paying out yet in some war Malta Guinness. Almost so, you may go back one more 7 Ghana returning in a video almost slick canabano or Sakabia or you might not say the Kanikapa, be a smallest malinity pa. I'm going to this year con my idea, we can see Brew or now pay or Pedro so Sergio, Manicho and Bernard Padibuchi. I am a producer's cash and so watching non do a bob paimwa. Channel pa Adom TV so the sports are na bebro tia na wabomode ahwe bi kai se wode nankasa beka kejwa no ho ereka sie du body cause wa na hebedwam